Good morning from Riyadh. Make my second day. So I'm gonna explore Riyadh today. Some places to visit in Riyadh. So let's go. I'm going to Kingdom Center Sky Bridge now to see Riyadh from Sky Bridge. Inside Kingdom Center shopping mall. I came to car parking. It's free, I think. Okay friends, finally I found the park. The car parking is full. It took me 1 hour to find the park. Impossible to find the park here. Car parking is limited. That's why I found after 1 hour car parking. I came to Kingdom Center shopping mall. So I will go to Sky Bridge tours now. Sky Bridge experience. Yes. So Sky Bridge was closed. It's strange situation. I checked on internet working hours. It was working after 12 p.m. But I asked other stores workers, so what time we open the Sky Bridge? They told me 4 p.m. Wow, they told me 4 p.m. So okay, I will come back to Sky Bridge again 4 p.m. at 4 p.m. So I'm going to National Museum of Riyadh right now. After that, maybe Al-Safat Square. Maybe we see what happens. What is next? Yes, friends. So I came to a National Museum in Riyadh now. That's why I rented the car in Riyadh, because Riyadh is not walkable city. That's why it's so far places to visit. Okay, I entered this museum for free with my disabled ID card.
So that's my point.
So let's see inside museum.
मार्बल कहाँ से था?
मार्बल वो
it was desert country before. Alright, is Museum Park. Come in Saudi Arabia for tourism. So let's check out their exhibition. This side is Emre. Nobody is here. There were tourists, not much in museum. These are exhibitions. I'm gonna drink nothing. Shukran. I'll get nothing. So let's check out more Emre Historical Palace Museum. Here is Emre Palace, Historical Palace. Saudi King lived here. Is King's Palace. King Abdulaziz. Yeah, we came to end of the tour. Alright, so next one is El Safat Square. There is market, and next is near to El Safat Square. Market shops, old shops, like old central market. So let's see what is there. 反正klasik